How to convert Zimbra Mailbox data to vCard. Try SysTools Zimbra to VCF converter. Let's discuss key features first. Versatile conversion converts Zimbra webmail and TGZ to PST, Mbox, PDF, EML, vCard. Smart filters, date, category filters and folder hierarchy preservation. Easy and secure, no admin rights needed, dual browse, 20 language, support. Wide compatibility, supports all Zimbra versions and Windows OS. The software download link is available in the description. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of SysTools Zimbra converter. In the top left corner, you'll find the Add File option, which lets you import a Zimbra Mailbox or TGZ file from your system. Next is the Add Online Mailbox option, allowing you to add your Zimbra account by entering your credentials. For this demo, we'll choose Add File, but users can also opt for Add Online Mailbox. Clicking Add File provides two import options. Folder. Import multiple folders containing Zimbra mail files, ideal for large datasets. File. Import individual or multiple Zimbra files. After selecting the required option, click Browse to locate your Zimbra file or TGZ file. Select your file. Then click Open to proceed. In this panel, you can see the imported files along with their names and file paths. Displays the default location where saved files are stored. To change the storage location, click the three-dot button and select a new path. Now, click the Add button to proceed. Once the processing is complete, a message will appear stating scanning completed successfully. Click OK to continue. On the left panel, you'll see a list of Zimbra mail folders. Select a folder to view its emails, which will be displayed on the right panel. In the From column, user can see sender names. In Subject column, user can see subjects. Into column, user can see sender names. In Sent, user can when message was delivered. And in Received, user can see when message was received. In Size column, user can see data size of EML file. Click on any email to view its details. In the normal mail view panel, you can see additional email header information. The email message is displayed at the bottom. For a different layout, click Switch View, which offers horizontal and vertical options. Select vertical for a more convenient viewing experience. Now, the Hex View panel shows the raw binary content of a file or memory location in a human-readable format. In the Properties view, you can see detailed email header properties. The Message Header view provides additional email headers. The MIME view, Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extensions, shows details about the file format, such as whether it's an image, document, video, or audio file, based on its MIME type. The HTML view displays the email content in hypertext markup language, while the RTF view displays it in rich text format. In the Attachment section, you can see attached files, such as images, documents, or PDFs. You can also identify emails with attachments by the icon next to the sender's name. In the bottom left panel, you'll find a list of filter view options. Mail displays all emails. Calendar shows calendar events. Contacts displays only contacts. Tasks shows task details. Folder list displays all folders of the Zimbra Mailbox. Now, let's convert Zimbra mail files to other formats. There are two export methods. First is Export Selected. Select specific emails using the checkboxes. Or select the top checkbox to select all mails. Then click Export Selected on the right. This method is for exporting only a few emails, but we need to export the entire data. Click on the Export button in the top left corner to open the main export settings. In the folder list, click on the top checkbox. The SysTools Zimbra to VCF converter also allows conversion to multiple formats, including PST, Mbox, PDF, EML, vCard and Office 365. For this demo, we'll select vCard, but users can choose any format as needed. In the destination settings, you can set the path for the exported folder. By default, the destination is set to the desktop, but you can change it by clicking the Browse button. Maintain folder hierarchy. Keeps the original folder structure. Don't export empty folders. Skips empty folders during export. Note, to use this option you have to uncheck Maintain folder hierarchy. Let's also explore the additional vCard settings. Click on the Additional button. In vCard Additional Settings, you can select the vCard version for export. Version 2.1 is ideal for mobile and desktop applications, version 3.0 is suitable for webmail servers, and version 4.0 is best for cloud servers. After configuring these settings, you just have to click on the Save button. Now, click the Cancel button to go back. Now that all settings are configured, click Export to convert Zimbra data to vCard. After the conversion, a message will appear confirming the process is successfully completed. Click OK to proceed. The software also generates an export report for future reference. The first column displays the file name and path. The second column shows the success count is 3. The last column shows the fail count is 0. You can also save this report by clicking on the Save button. You can easily access your exported folder. Simply click on the success count number highlighted in blue. Next, click on the saved file path also in blue. Now open the folder and check your vCard files. And here it is your vCard files. And that's it. That's how you can convert Zimbra Mailbox data to vCard using SysTools Zimbra to vCard converter.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.